before you can multiply two or more integers together, the first thing you need to know is to understand the rule. What are the rules of multiplications of integers? Now, plus times plus is equals to what? Plus. You need to understand that. That's the first one. Minus times minus is equals to plus. Now, if one is minus and the other one is plus, minus times plus, we have minus. And also, plus times minus is equals to minus. Now, since we know how to use the rules, let's consider examples. Examples. Work out the following. Work out the following. Plus 5 times plus 3 plus 2 times 0 the third one we have plus 5 times minus 2, and the fourth one we have minus 4 times minus 7. Now, how do we solve the following questions? The first one we have plus 5 times plus 3 rather. Plus times plus, based on the rules that we're having here. Plus times plus, that is plus. So it means that 5 times 3, what do we have? 15. The second one we have here is 2. That is plus 2 times 0. Any number multiplied by 0 will give you 0. So we have this to be equal to 0. The next one, you have to check the rule, which is very important while solving this. We have a plus 5 times minus 2. So you check the rule, you can see that from the rules, we have plus times minus. Plus times minus, that's what? That's minus. So here we are going to have 5 times 2. So that's 10. So plus times minus, that is minus. So the answer here is going to be minus 10. And here is a different case. We're having plus minus 4 times minus 7. We have a minus 4 times minus 7. So minus times minus, what do we have here? That's plus. From the rule, minus times minus, that is plus. So we have here plus 28. That is 4 times 7, that's 28. So that's what we're having here. So that's the solution to that problem.